Namaste everyone, my name is Jyoti and today we are going to practice some exercises to keep your neck muscles healthy. Basically, these exercises will help those are facing cervical spine issues, like they are feeling very stiff around the neck area. So first thing we will do with the neck is inhale, exhale, go forward. Inhale, you have to go back. Inhale, center, exhale, forward. With every inhalation, you have to take your neck back. With every exhalation, you have to go forward. Try to keep your neck area very loose and comfortable. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, go back. Exhale, go front. If you have cervical pain, you don't need to go forward deeply. You can just come in the center and you just need to go back with every inhalation, and with the exhalation, you have to come in the center only. But if you have a healthy spine, the cervical spine, you can always come forward like this and inhale, go back. Now backside we will hold for 5 count and we will add some jaw movement also to release all the collected stress from your jawline. You have to just open and close your mouth. Keep your neck relaxed, just feel the stretch here. Inhale, center and relax. We'll move forward for the next stretch. In that we will go right and left. With every inhalation you have to come in center, and with every exhalation we have to change the directions like this. Inhale, center, exhale, go left. Inhale, center, exhale, go right. Inhale, center, keep your neck area very comfortable. Exhale towards your left shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale towards your right shoulder. Just feel the breath. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Inhale, center, exhale, right. If you have pain, you might not be able to go very deeply like this. Whether you are going till this area, it's okay. Just feel the stretch only. But if you are comfortable, try to reach towards the shoulder area. Just hold the stretch for 3 count. 1, 2, 3. For the next 3 count, we'll just keep our neck upward. We'll just try to keep our neck upward. 1, 2, 3. Slowly go down. Inhale, center and relax. Make sure you don't ever stop your breath in any particular motion. Inhale, exhale towards the right shoulder. Hold for 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Now make the other movement. Try to see the ceiling or the sky. 1, 2, 3. Now to come down first, then slowly and gently in center and relax. Now we'll move forward for the third step, that is neck rotation. Inhale, exhale, go front. Now you have to just keep your neck very loose and comfortable, and you have to make small circles with your comfort. Half of the circle you will just inhale, and the rest half of the circle you will start exhaling like this. 3, 4 and 5. You have to be very careful with your cervical spine. Don't make any kind of hurry. Now we will go reverse. 5, 4, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come back and relax. If you have a cervical, so what you have to do is you just need to do the half circles, and that will be only at the back side. How you will do it? Inhale, exhale. That inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We are just doing the pendulum movement here. Just keep your spine relaxed and try to connect your breath with each and every movement of your neck. Slowly inhale, center and relax. Now the last stretch, which is the compression practice, where you have to press the neck with your palm, and with your palm you have to press your neck, and your neck pressure should go towards your palm like this. The right palm on your left temporal region you have to place it. If your hand is going comfortably towards your ear, that is very good, but if you are unable to reach there, just put the hand comfortably wherever you are reaching. Take a nice inhalation, and with the exhalation bend your neck like this. Press your palm toward the temporal region and From your temporal region, try to put the pressure towards your palm. Hold the stretch for 5 count. 1. Don't forget to breathe. Don't hold your breath here. Just keep breathing. You have to feel the stretch here in this particular nerve which is connecting your neck and the shoulder area. 4 and 5. Inhale, center and relax. We'll go on the other side with the same thing. Inhale, exhale, neck bend and hold. Keep and try to feel the stretch on this particular nerve and just breathe normally with your comfort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center and relax. Now you can practice these steps in your home, even at your workplaces whenever you have time. Just take out some time for your neck exercises. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you soon in our next video. Namaste.